My name is Jeff Harris. I chose mechanical engineering just because I love problem solving and working. I just like science and math and figuring things out like that. So I've always wanted to help people. I've always been fascinated with the biomed field. And so coming up here was perfect because I got to do mechanical engineering with the emphasis in biomedical engineering. I think there is a lot of opportunities because this is such a big growing field, and just the few people I have talked to in industry, it sounds like their companies are growing really big, and all of these fields, it's new technology, so it's just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. CSU is ranked really high for the vet teaching hospital, and it's really nice working so close with them because it's easy to harvest cells and things like that and get answers about what's going on with just the orthopedics, because there's some brilliant people out there. And with our new department forming, I think our school's reputation is going to get a lot better. I'm in my last year of my graduate work in a biomedical engineering field. We're having an emphasis on biomaterials, where one of the students I work with, she created a proprietary material for cartilage replacement and repair. And so what my project is working on is it's called a scaffold, which is basically a sponge made of this material. And the idea is cartilage doesn't repair itself that well, so if someone were to get an injury to their cartilage, that we can take cells from their own cartilage, extract the cells out, put it into our scaffold, grow the cells out so that there's a lot of cells and they're starting to form new tissue, and then you can implant that back into the patient. I work really close with a biological science professor. I work really close with Sue, a materials professor. And I've worked a lot with Travis Bailey, who's a polymer science or chemistry professor. And so it's just so easy to talk to all sorts of different departments and get a lot of help. And each department has all their own testing equipment, and it's super easy just to go out and use these different equipment. It just takes like a day to get trained on them, and then you can do whatever you want to do. It's really open. I really love that about the school. I like doing research in orthopedics, and there's always going to be a need for more orthopedic technology as people get older and people are leading more active lives and things like that and living longer, so their joints are getting worn out more. They're having more problems that we haven't seen before. And so there's always going to be a need for new technology to try and